Hi, I'm Gary Alpert.
And I'm Evan Bethards.
So today we want to talk about tax preparation versus tax planning. Tax preparation is just the art of preparing your tax return as done by an accountant or a CPA, usually around April 15th of the following year. But aren't there any tax strategies we can favorably implement during the year?
Absolutely. So, a big part of our financial planning process is figuring out how to optimize your tax situation now and in the future through strategic moves. Some problems that we often come across are the following.
Meeting safe harbor. So safe harbor is the IRS basically requiring you to have a certain level of tax withholdings before the end of the year. Otherwise, they'll assess interest and penalties. We often see folks that are under withheld and they end up paying significant interest and penalties much higher than they should.
We also look at the tax efficiency of your investments. Is your taxable interest and dividends potentially pushing you into a higher tax bracket?
We also look at something called IRMA. For anybody that's on Medicare, if your income is too high, sometimes you get a surcharge on your Medicare premiums, which can get quite high. We work with folks on their level of income to see if that can be modified at all to get below the relevant Medicare/IRMA threshold.
And then we keep an eye on what's called the net investment income tax and how it relates to your personal income level. You could potentially be paying a higher rate on any capital gains or qualified dividends based on where you are from an income standpoint.
So if y'all are curious about any of these items, all we need is a copy of your tax return, and we basically implement it into our software and analyze it. And if any of y'all know folks that can benefit from our services, please let us know. Thank you.
Thank you.